Okay, so bear with me. We're going to do this in one take. It's easier to upload that way. Okay, so this is my Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 in Asteral Green. This is a review of Zana Motorsports rear pillion backrest, the shorter model, and their rear rack. This is also going to be a quick tutorial on how to install the thing and what comes with it. Okay, so coming back here for starters, the rear rack right here at the widest point is 13 inches, front to back, and we're going to go with 11 3/4, and over the narrower side I'm going to go with 11 1/2. Okay. The rear pillion backrest, as you can see, it does say Zana. The purchase location for this, I actually got this off of eBay via my wife's account for, I believe, with shipping, it was like 110 or 120. Zana's website lists this setup for 150 on their website currently. I think it's worth every penny here. Anyway, so what do you get for this? Anyway, I guess before we go into that, as you can see, the back end of the rack comes roughly even with your license plate holder. It does extend over the top of your taillight, which is the reason why I put all that reflector tape on there. Reflector tape is from Amazon, and it was like $5 with free shipping if you got Prime. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and throw this on there. So from ground to bottom of rack is, I'm gonna call it 30 1/8, and from the ground to the top of the rack, I'm going to go with about 33 5/8, if you're curious. So you can see it's got some pretty sturdy welds. It comes with 4 mounting bolts. This is pertaining to their instructions, or in the picture anyway. It shows that your backrest goes inside of the pieces that bolt into the holes on your fender well. Obviously, I got these from a different company off of eBay. Anyway, so the washers were not included. You're going to need 32 of them roughly to complete this. You're also going to need a 13mm end wrench for doing these bolts right here, and you're going to need a 5mm Allen or hex key. So we're going to run in. Sorry about the light here. Put that in the pocket. Okay, really quick. So according to the instructions, they give you 2 of these. They tell you to put them on one side of the rack. I'm here to tell you that this is going to be way too narrow if you want it to be centrally located on your bike. So here's those 8 washers I told you about. We'll go ahead and stack these up really quickly for your entertainment, or well, reference. Okay, so just a personal suggestion. Okay, so that right there is what you're seeing on the bike times 2, and that's roughly, 1 washer width, thicker than that piece of aluminum. So I guess one option would be to just buy 2 extra washers, and then, you know, anyway, the setup like that. So I do highly recommend that you take these and you super glue them together. It makes installation really easy. Anyway, if you found this video to be helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. I will try to check back on this video, every few days and answer any questions you may have.